Welcome back to Garden Art Corner, your ultimate destination for creative garden art, decor, and DIY craft inspirations. Today, we are turning salvaged construction scraps into rustic Mediterranean elegance with 12 breathtaking Italian courtyard water features made from reclaimed bricks and broken clay pots. You will be amazed at how easily cracked ceramic vessels and aged brickwork can be combined into soothing, recirculating fountains. Be sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss our latest garden design ideas. Turn fractured clay pots into an artistic masterpiece by arranging broken shards in a spiraling pattern over a solid base of reclaimed red bricks. Water trickles gently from the uppermost broken rim down through each clay piece, creating a soothing rhythmic splash. Nestled among lush ivy and blooming flowers, this compact water feature brings instant rustic elegance to any quiet corner. It is a wonderfully simple project that gives damaged garden pots a second life, full of character and grace. Build a sturdy background wall using weathered reclaimed bricks to anchor a series of cascading half-broken clay pots. As the hidden water pump recirculates liquid, smooth streams overflow gracefully from one clay vessel to the next. The contrast between warm red brick textures and aged clay creates an authentic Tuscan courtyard atmosphere right in your backyard. Soft accent lighting tucked behind the lower bricks highlights the gentle water flow long into the evening hours. Arrange reclaimed bricks in a rising circular spiral that encases a central stack of tilted, broken terracotta pots. The water rises through the center and overflows across the broken terracotta edges into a hidden subterranean reservoir. Low-growing sedums and moss planted within the brick crevices soften the stonework while enhancing its old-world charm. This structural focal point adds depth and dynamic movement to tiny patio spaces without requiring expensive materials. Stack broken terracotta pots at alternating angles inside a shallow brick basin to construct a captivating waterfall effect. Each layer catches the falling water and channels it into the section below, echoing the tranquil sound of Italian hillside streams. Surround the base with smooth pebbles and potted Mediterranean herbs like rosemary and lavender to complete the sensory experience. Crafting this waterfall allows you to celebrate imperfections while turning garden debris into an eye-catching work of art. Embed a large broken terracotta urn into a neat semicircular wall of reclaimed red bricks to form a charming trickling basin. Encouraging green moss to grow over the vintage brick mortar gives the entire feature an enchanting centuries-old appearance. A tiny fountain pump hidden inside the urn maintains a soft, bubbling stream that overflows into a gravel-filled base. This peaceful setup creates an inviting oasis for local birds while infusing your outdoor sanctuary with timeless Mediterranean style. Dig a small sunken basin lined with reclaimed bricks, using a cut-open clay pot as a decorative waterspout above it. Water spills continuously from the clay mouth into the clear brick pond below, forming gentle ripples across floating aquatic plants. The combination of sunken brickwork and rustic ceramic elements mimics traditional Italian courtyard architecture beautifully. You can easily adjust the flow rate to create either a whisper-quiet trickle or a lively splashing ambiance. Construct a classic Roman arch structure using reclaimed bricks with a large broken clay pot anchored at its center. Water flows smoothly out of the broken terracotta rim, dropping in a shimmering curtain into a shallow brick trough below. Climbing vines trained around the brick arch frame the water feature, making it look as though it belonged in an ancient villa. This architectural accent adds vertical interest and romantic Mediterranean history to narrow garden walls or fence lines. Lay a broken terracotta amphora on its side atop a stepped pedestal built entirely from salvaged red bricks. Water gushes gently from inside the amphora belly, cascading down brick steps lined with smaller broken clay pot fragments. The weathered patinas of both ceramic and clay create rich, warm tones that glow under natural sunlight. Building this stepped cascade offers a striking visual feature that fits seamlessly against a wooden fence or stone wall. Build a mini decorative brick well using reclaimed materials, topping it with a cluster of overflowing broken terracotta pots. Water bubbles up through the central clay vessel and splashes down over the layered pot shards into the well basin. Trailing sweet alyssum and ferns planted in the surrounding brick alcoves add vibrant green life to the stone framework. It serves as a nostalgic centerpiece that transforms scrap building materials into an enchanting storybook courtyard element. Line a straight reclaimed brick trough with large curved fragments of broken clay pots to form a custom continuous spillway. Water flows along the clay channel in a glistening stream before dropping into a hidden ground-level catch basin. The clean geometric lines of the brick container harmonize delightfully with the organic shapes of the clay shards. It provides a sleek yet undeniably rustic soundscape that masks suburban noise with soothing water melodies. Mount a shallow half-pot of broken terracotta onto a decorative reclaimed brick backing plate attached to a garden wall. Water recirculates through the back wall, spouting into the clay bowl and splashing gently down into a brick planter box. Bright red geraniums and trailing ivy planted around the base emphasize the vibrant colors of the Mediterranean countryside. This space-saving design is perfect for transforming bare patio walls into tranquil, water-focused retreats. Combine multiple tiers of broken clay pots resting on a grand multi-level pedestal constructed from reclaimed red bricks. Water trickles gracefully through every layer, creating a rich multi-toned melody that fills your outdoor space with relaxation. The harmonious blend of warm terracotta, weathered red brick, and lush green foliage establishes a truly authentic Italian courtyard vibe. Thank you for watching this showcase on Garden Art Corner, so please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next time.